Uh, so today's topic is in quick revision. We'll considering magnetic field due to a straight infinite conductor, solenoid, Lorentz force, cyclotron frequency, force on a conductor in a magnetic field if time permits us. Within 1 hour, let me try to finish this. Okay. So magnetic field due to a straight conductor infinitely long, as we have discussed earlier. Still, let us discuss again. Okay. So, as per Biot-Savart law, we can find out magnetic field due to a straight conductor. So infinitely long. Suppose XY is a straight conductor, infinitely long. Upper follow infinite, top follow infinite. Okay. So a particular point is considered from this elementary length dl. The conductor is carrying a current I. Conductor I current কঢ়িয়াই লৈ গৈছে আমি p পইণ্টত কণ্ডাক্টৰৰ কাৰণে ইনফাইনিটলি লং কণ্ডাক্টৰৰ কাৰণে magnetic field উলিয়াব লাগে we are going to find out magnetic field at point p, right? So from the center o of this elementary length we have to draw length. Okay. The distance is this distance is considered as r. R is a vector, position vector. Okay, and from this center to this point, the length is L. The length is L. Okay. The length is L. Okay. Suppose this point is A, B, O. This point is O, and this angle is theta. Okay. So if this angle is theta, this will be 100 minus 180 minus, it is pi minus theta. This angle will be pi minus theta, right? So this distance is let this distance is a, as we have already discussed, and this is a right angle triangle. We are going to measure the magnetic field at P. Okay, so according to Biot-Savart law, the magnetic field, the magnitude of magnetic field, as we got mu naught by 4 pi I dl sine theta. Okay, I dl sine theta by r square. Here, sine theta or sine 180 minus theta is same because what? Sine 180 minus theta is nothing but sine theta. Okay, sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta, right? This is in accordance with Biot-Savart's law. So this gives the magnitude and direction is perpendicular to r vector and dl vector. So আমি জানো যে dv এটা ভেক্টৰ কোয়ান্টিটি হয়, ইয়াৰ এটা দিশ আছে, এই দিশটো হল r ৰ পারপেন্ডিকুলার হ'ব আৰু dl ৰ পারপেন্ডিকুলার হ'ব। dl টো এইফালে গৈছে, এই ব্ল্যাকবোর্ডৰ প্যারালাল আৰু r টো এনেকা গতিকে এইফালে বাহিৰ ফালে dv টো হ'ব। সো আমি এনেকে দেখাব পাৰো, আমাক নালাগে বাৰু, কিন্তু আমি কি উলিয়াম যে ইনফাইনিটলি লং, the conductor is infinitely long. So sine, as we have discussed, that sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Okay, this sine theta. Okay. So it is we are to find a value of r and dl. So ইয়াত আমি এটা কথা কনসেন্ট্রেট কৰিব লাগিব যে r আৰু dl উলিয়াব লাগে। Okay, so r আৰু dl যদি আমি উলিয়াব পাৰো ট্ৰায়াঙ্গলটো ট্ৰিগোনোমেট্ৰিক ফালৰ পৰা, তেতিয়াহ'লে পুট কৰি দিলে এই ভ্যালুটো যাব। So first of all, let us try r টো আমি যদি উলিয়াবলৈ যাওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে এই ট্ৰায়াঙ্গলটো আমি কি ল'ব লাগিব, sin theta লব লাগিব sin okay sin theta it is pi minus theta this angle perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular? R is perpendicular. No, A is perpendicular. What is hypotenuse? R is hypotenuse. Right? So this is sin theta A by R. So we want R. So that is why A by sin theta. So nothing but 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. So A cosec theta. Okay. So you got the value of R as A cosec theta. So put the value of R A cosec theta. So then it will be A square cosec square theta. Okay. This is completed. Next, your idea is to put the value of DL. Okay. So L is here. What is L? L is A to O. A to O is L. So DL, so you have to differentiate L. L of differentiate DL paba. So again L to global hole to me either cot theta level or no tan theta level because this is base. A right angle triangle to a whole base. Okay, to me either tan theta level or no cot theta level. Okay, so we have already substituted the value of R. Okay, now let us find DL. To find DL, we have to take tan of pi minus theta, suppose. Tan of pi minus theta equal what? Tan of perpendicular by base, A by L. So you want L. Okay, you want L. So L is here, A by 10 pi minus theta. So L 10 pi minus theta means what? Cot theta. Cot pi minus theta. Okay. Cot pi minus theta is equal what? Cot pi minus theta is equal cot theta, but minus cot theta. Because it is second quadrant. If it is second quadrant, it is minus. It is 180 degree. That is why it is cot. It is 180 degree happen cot to cot degree. Second quadrant of cot to negative hoy. A cot theta. So now you can differentiate. Let me differentiate to upper. Okay. Now we can differentiate. So now differentiating this, what you will get? If you differentiate this DL minus A cot theta differentiation, cosec minus cosec square theta. Okay, so minus will be plus, minus will be plus. So A cosec square theta, right? This is A cosec square. Okay. So now the value of DL is equal to A cosec square theta. So what you have to do? The value of DL is equal to no. You are differentiating cosec square theta. So you have to again differentiate theta, d theta. D theta will come. That due to cosec square theta to me differentiate korisa. But d theta at thakib. So if you differentiate DL with respect L with respect to theta, then DL by d theta hobo. He d theta to ekhane gusi jabo. So mane d L of differentiate korchu with respect to theta. So DL by d theta. So d theta to add gusi jabo. So now you have to put the value of DL here. A cosec square theta d theta. So DL of value ki hobo? I to me likhisu. A cosec square theta cosec square theta আগৰ পৰা sin theta এটা আছে d theta এটা লিখিব লাগিব d theta. So cosec square theta cancel হ'ব, right? So এটা a cancel হ'ব, dv is equal mu naught I 4 pi a হ'ব আৰু কি থাকিব sin theta d theta, right? Now you are going to find the net magnetic field due to this infinitely long conductor. A 0.2 যদি তুমি একদম উপরে লৈ যোৱা তেতিয়াহলে থিটাটো কি হ'ব? থিটা will be 180 আৰু 0 পইণ্টটো যদি এন্ডলৈ লৈ যায় ইনফাইনিটলি লং তেতিয়া থিটা পইণ্টটো কি হ'ব থিটাটো কি হ'ব কমি 0 হৈ যাব so to find b you have to integrate db from 0 to b so you have to integrate this side mu naught I 4 pi a is a constant quantity you have to integrate sin theta from what sin theta d theta from 0 to pi right a theta to angle to 0 হৈ যাব যদি তললৈ যাও উপৰলৈ গলে হি 180 একদম infinite long approximately 180 not exactly so if you put the value sin theta যদি তুমি differentiate integrate কৰা কি হ'ব minus cos theta হ'ব হয় জানো so minus cos theta হ'ব mu naught I 4 pi a minus cos theta 0 to pi so minus 2 যদি আমি নাইকে ক'বলৈ যাওঁ আমি লিমিট কিটা উল্টাই দিব লাগিব 0 কে ওপৰলৈ নিব লাগিব pi কে তললৈ আনিব লাগিব so minus 2 আমি নাইকে কৈ দিলো pi কে তললৈ নি দিলো 0 টো ওপৰলৈ ঠিক আছে তেতিয়া হলে কি হ'ব ইকুয়াল mu naught I 4 pi a so cos theta cos 0 degree minus cos pi it is 180 degree so cos 0 value কিমান cos 0 value আমি জানো 1 4 pi cos 0 value 1 আৰু ইয়াৰ value কিমান -1 so -1 plus 1 so 2 হ'ব so 2 a 2 a cancel যাব থাকিব কিমান 2 pi a 2 so the value of b is equal mu naught I plus pi so this is the final value as we have already calculated so I am giving you the quick revision how to find the magnetic field is a long straight infinitely long straight conductor so this is okay next come to solenoid okay so solenoid in case of solenoid no need to calculate I think according to syllabus but you have to remember the net value net magnetic field for solenoid so this is the solenoid so what is the magnetic field with the solenoid the magnetic field is given by at any point at the center in this the magnetic field is b is equal mu naught n I okay so n is the number of turns in the solenoid and I is the current passing through the solenoid if I is the current passing through the solenoid and mu naught is the permeability so this will give the magnetic field within the solenoid but on the axis of the solenoid but this value becomes half when you find a magnetic field at the extreme end a point যদি তুমি magnetic field লোৱা তেতিয়াহলে magnetic field b dash ইয়াৰ half হৈ যাব ইয়াৰ আধা হৈ যাব এইটো okay next come to Lorentz force okay this is quick revision so you will go through your previous classes, previous videos also. You can see Lorentz force. As you know, the Lorentz force is a combined force, right? This is a force. It is Lorentz force, as quoted by Lorentz. What type of force? This is a combined force. It is force due to electric field plus force due to magnetic field. As you remember, right? Force on what? Force on what? Car upor force. Force on charged particle. Okay. Force on charged particle. Force on charged particle when it moves in a region having both electric field. This is electric field. This is magnetic field. Okay. This is magnetic field. Magnetic field, electric field. Okay. Plus will give you electric field minus and magnetic field north pole south pole যদি নর্থ পোল সাউথ পোল থৈ দিয়া হয় এইটো ৰিজনত এই ৰিজনটো ধৰা নর্থ পোলটো এইফালে আছে সাউথ পোলটো সিফালে আছে সো ম্যাগনেটিক লাইনস অফ ফোর্স বিলাক এনেকুৱা আছে সো এইটো যদি চার্জ পার্টিকলটো যদি এইফালে যায় এই ৰিজনটোৰ মাজত যায় তেতিয়ালে চার্জ পার্টিকলটোৱে ইয়াৰ এটা ভেলোসিটি নিশ্চয় থাকিব it must have a velocity right this charged particle must have a velocity with this velocity if this cross this region has both electric as well as magnetic field এনেকুৱা দুখন ফিল্ড থকা ৰিজন এটাৰ মাজত যদি চাৰ্জ পাৰ্টিকল এটা পাৰ হৈ যায় তেতিয়াহলে তাৰ ওপৰত এই ফোর্সটো হ'ব it is a combined force due to the force due to electric field the force due to magnetic field this combined force on the charged particle is called Lorentz force so you can easily remember this is the combined force right now question is what is the value of the force if we have definite values then electric field QE okay QE is the Q is the uh, term which gives the force due to electric field and for magnetic field Q V cross B so you have to remember this force this is the cross product of velocity of the charged particle and magnitude of the magnetic field strength of the magnet right now both the two forces combinedly give the force combined force that is called Lorentz force okay so one thing you have to remember that charged particle when moves then magnetic field executed magnetic field to for magnetic force to tetia hobo jetia hai v to value থাকিব যদি v 0 হয় this will be 0 তাৰ মানে গৈ থাকিলে হে magnetic force টো ক্ৰিয়া কৰে otherwise it will not act right so ৰৈ থকা চাৰ্জটো কিন্তু ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ফিল্ডে ক্ৰিয়া কৰে electric field will act on charged particles which is stationary also no need to move মানে movement নকৰিলেও এই force দিব but V must have some value in case of magnetic so এটা আমি সেপারেট আলোচনা কৰিম নেক্সট পইণ্টত V টো কিন্তু V এটা থাকিব লাগিব right so this is the Lorentz force now let us see separately magnetic force okay only magnetic force is Fm that is Q V cross B okay so magnetic force to ami abar saইছো right so magnetic force is Q VB sin of theta is a value only the magnitude is given but this is the vector quantity then only the magnitude is given by Q VB sin of theta right okay so what does it mean it means that if V is equal to 0 F is equal to 0 this value is 0 if theta is equal to 0 again F will be equal to 0 because sin 0 degree is equal to 0 so দুটা condition of 0 হব force to কি বস্তু কলো so Lorentz force ত আমি দেখিলো যে if V is equal to 0 force is equal to 0 okay it's the force if theta is equal to 0 again it becomes 0 if theta is equal to 90 degree F is equal QVB which is maximum force of theta 90 degree means what in this case theta if theta is 90 degree what does it mean suppose as we have considered that magnetic field is suppose this dot gives the magnetic field which is perpendicular to this black ball and we are allowing some charge particle Q to enter this magnetic field with velocity v. V is just perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. So magnetic field is d. So in this case, this value theta is 90 degree, right? এনেকুৱা হলে মানে theta to 90 degree হ'ব কেনেকে theta is the angle between v and b এটো হল v v to 90 degree কে ঘুমাইছে b to এনেকে আছে এই বোর্ডখনৰ 90 degree কে আছে v to এনেকে আছে so both of them are 90 degree, right? This is 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, then maximum force will be experienced by this charged particle. So now what will happen? Due to this force, what is the direction of force? Again, the direction of force is perpendicular to both V and B. আমি জানো যে A cross B হলে A cross B যদি C হয় C vector হয় C vector to ইয়ারও perpendicular হ'ব ইয়ারও perpendicular so এইটো ইয়ারও perpendicular ইয়ারও perpendicular so যেটো force হ'ব সেই force to এই black board ৰ perpendicular হ'ব আৰু V perpendicular হ'ব V perpendicular হলে তাক এনেকে এনেকে ঠেলিব না জানো ধৰিলো আমি এফালে ঘুমাইছে তাক force to এনেকে ঠেলিছে this is the force is pushing the charge particle so তেতিয়া হলে v to কি হয় v to direction change হৈ যাব but v will remain change velocity will change velocity will change but v speed this is speed will not change velocity to hai change hobo direction change hobo ta mane magnitude change na hobo so direction to change hoy ki hobo e anytime direction change hobo gotike e eta circular eta path lobo right so it will follow a circular path as soon as it follows a circular path it will follow the rule of centripetal force এতিয়া centripetal force আই যাব centripetal force to etu fc will be equal to fm centripetal force will be equal to magnetic force centripetal force to ki asile mv square by r asile so fm is equal to qvd okay so yar pora ami radius to liabo parim radius to liabo parile pisot ami frequency liabo parim hoy jano so from this how we can find out the radius how so vv will be cancelled so mv by r qv okay so r is equal mv by qv right so again we know that v is equal r omega right v is equal what v is equal r omega if omega is the angular velocity and v is the linear velocity then magnitude of the relation of their magnitudes are given by this equation v is equal r omega okay so from this you can find out omega as v by r okay so you can find out from this v by r so from this expression if you want to find out qv is here m is here so v by r so r is taken here dividing v by r when taking qv this by m so v by r is equal what v by r is equal omega so you can put this to be omega right so this is in case of v by r you can put omega is equal qv by m so omega is again twice pi f okay qb so m is what m is the mass of the charged particle so from this relation what you can have from this relation you can have the cyclotron frequency qb twice by m so this is the cyclotron frequency which is it just in case of cyclotron as we have discussed that in case of cyclotron the frequency is there type period is there and beam is accelerated beam goes out from this cyclotron. What is cyclotron? Cyclotron is a system which increases the acceleration of charged particles, right? So this frequency is needed here. So how to find out the frequency? Sometimes you get some problems to find the cyclotron frequency. What is the cyclotron frequency? So how to find the cyclotron frequency? This is the way. Simple. Itur pisat hitu keneke step bilak ahe moi dekhai diম, right? So memory to আকৌ fresh হৈ যাব তোমালোকে যদি আগৰ ভিডিও বিলাক চোৱা সিৰিয়ালি সব দিয়া আছে ভিডিও বিলাকত চাই লবা নিজৰ খিনি চাই ললে হ'ব। Okay, so next ahil Lorentz force cyclotron frequency force on a conductor in a magnetic field. Now the question arises when charge particle is experienced by force, যেতিয়া charge particle বিলাক চাৰ্জ পাৰ্টিকলৰ ওপৰত মেগনেটিক ফিল্ডে ফোৰ্স দিয়ে, তেতিয়াহ'লে কণ্ডাক্টৰ বিলাকত তো চাৰ্জ পাৰ্টিকল থাকে। সো কণ্ডাক্টৰ বিলাকত বহুত চাৰ্জ পাৰ্টিকল থাকে। সো কণ্ডাক্টৰ বিলাক তেতিয়াহ'লে ফোৰ্স অনুভৱ কৰিব। আমি তেনেকুৱা এটা ডিসকাশন কৰিছিলো। সো নেক্সট লাষ্ট টপিক ইজ the last topic is force on a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field. Our discussion to hold there. যেহেতু চার্জ পার্টিকল বিলাকক ফোর্স দিয়ে, তেতিয়াহ'লে কণ্ডাক্টৰ প্লেস কৰিলে কণ্ডাক্টৰ ওপৰত প্লেস ফোর্স হ'ব, কাৰণ কণ্ডাক্টৰ বহুত চার্জ পার্টিকল থাকে। So as we discussed that we have placed a conductor in a magnetic field. Current is flowing through the conductor. Suppose current is flowing. Okay. So this is the magnetic field as we discussed. Okay. So suppose current is flowing through this direction and electrons are moving in this direction, because you know that current is given according to the direction of positive charge, and the electrons move in the negative charge. Okay, and moves in the opposite direction. So this is magnetic field. Magnetic field direction to kenekwa blackboard khonor perpendicularly ase, current ki ephale ase, thik ase. So current is moving in this direction. So now if we want to find the force experienced by these charged particles, so suppose this is a length L, okay, L, and the area of cross section is A. A conductor area of cross section to A, or either length to whole conductor length to L. So you can find out the volume at kiman electron also. Let N be the number of electrons per unit volume. Okay. So G velocity is given by electron bilakota G velocity as velocity T is given by I N E A. As you remember, we should remember that G velocity of electrons, that is with the velocity with which the electrons are drifted towards the positive terminal. G2 velocity electron bilak positive terminal phala goi thake, etu hol drift velocity, which is approximately, as we have discussed, 1 millimeter per second. Drift velocity value to bahut kom, but expression to hol etu. N is what? N is the number of electrons per unit volume. E is what? E is the charge of volume, charge of electrons, and A is the area of cross section, okay, of the conductor. So it was the expression. So now we have to find out the force. Okay, force amar idea to hol je ami force lebo lage. So ami eta electron upor force on a single electron is what? Force on a single electron is suppose F. F Q VB. Okay, already we have got the value maximum force. অলপ আগতে আমি আলোচনা কৰিছিলো যে লরেন্স ফোর্স force due to magnetic field. Force due to magnetic field becomes maximum when direction of the velocity of charged particle and the magnetic field is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Electron go এইফালে গৈছে আৰু magnetic field খন perpendicularly আছে black board গতিকে এটা 90 ডিগ্ৰী হল 1 হ'ব maximum হ'ব q dv. এট q নিলিখি আমি কি লিখিম e লিখিম e is the charge of an electron. Q to charge is like dv. V is what? V is the deep velocity. এই ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি deep velocity ল'ব লাগিব গতিকে v ঠাইত আমি কি ল'ব লাগিব vd ল'ব লাগিব okay vd it is deep velocity and v. So this is the electron that is the force due to single electron. Eta electron কারণে to force আমি total force উলিয়াব লাগিব total force কিমান electron আছে how many electrons are there. Okay, so that if you put the value of vd to put করলে মানে কি হবে I n e a v. Okay, that is simply e I v n e a. So this is the force due to experienced by a single electron. এটো হল এটা ইলেক্ট্রনে অনুভব করা বল এটা ইলেক্ট্রন ইমানখিনি বল অনুভব কৰে এটা আমি চাম যে কন্ডাক্টৰডালত কিমান ইলেক্ট্ৰন আছে এটা হল স্মল n টো হল কি নাম্বার অফ ইলেক্ট্ৰনস পার ইউনিট ভলিউম সো ইয়াতে এতিয়া ভলিউমটো উলিয়াই যদি এটা মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰি দিও তেতিয়া হলে তাৰ টোটাল নাম্বার অফ ইলেক্ট্ৰন ওলাব ইয়াৰ ভলিউমটো কিমান হ'ব ইয়াৰ ভলিউমটো হল L into A. L is the length, A is the area of cross section. So we have volume A2. So we have to electron number to kiman hobo n is equal Vm. Small n is the number of electron per unit volume. It will V re multiply with the capital N. Capital N is the number of electrons experienced by a number of electrons within this volume. So if you find the value here, put the value here, E is equal to what? L A N. This is V value to me L have N is equal to this. So this is the force due to a single electron. So net force is suppose capital F. Net force is suppose capital F. So net force is the small f into n. Small f is the force by a single electron. If it is multiplied by n numbers of capital numbers of electron, কিমানটা ইলেকট্রন আছে capital n আছে so capital n যদি f ক multiply করি ন তাহলে total force লব so small f is the force experienced by a single electron and capital F is the force experienced by all electrons. So how many electrons? Capital N electrons, right? So put the value of capital N here, put the value of small n f here. Small f is equal to what? E I V N E A. Okay, N E A. N is equal to what? L A N. So small n cancel jabo, cancel go. E cancel go. So A area of cross section cancel go. So F is equal I again. B taken L taken I B L. Okay. So F the force is equal to I B L. This is the force experienced by the conductor. Okay. After this, we'll get how torque is produced. So if we get the force, this is the maximum force experienced by a conductor. Then, in case of motor, electric motor, when you place a rectangular loop এটা যদি আমি ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ডত বহাই দিম তেতিয়া হলে প্রতিটো কন্ডাক্টৰে এই ফোর্সটো অনুভব কৰিব রাইট rectangular coil যদি ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ডত বহাই দিও ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ডত বহাই যদি কইলটোৰ মাজে কাৰেণ্ট পঠিয়াই দিওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে প্ৰতিটো সাইড প্ৰতিটো বাহুৱে এই ফোর্সটো অনুভৱ কৰিব তাৰে ওপৰৰ বাহুকেইটা কেনসেল যাব তলৰ সাইডত থকা বাহুকেইটা উল্টা পুল্টা ফোর্স অপোজিট ফোর্স অনুভৱ কৰিব তো সেই ফোর্সটো কাৰণে টৰ্ক হ'ব টৰ্কটো কাৰণে ঘূৰিব so next topic will be the torque produced in a rectangular coil okay so then electric motor will come okay so